In this video, I'm going to explain how to link ThinkorSwim to TradingView. Now, if you've ever used TradingView, you know that once you're on their charts over here, you can go to trading panel down here and you can see all the different brokers you can connect to. However, ThinkorSwim is not one of them, so what to do? Now, to actually answer your question, you can't actually directly link ThinkorSwim to TradingView, but what you can do, and what I would recommend and what I do as well, is I would actually just do my chart analysis over here on TradingView, if you like TradingView that much that you don't want to use it. And then once you do your chart analysis, and let's say you know where you want to enter a position and you have your, for example, Bollinger Bands drawn or whatever you want to do, and basically you have a strategy working over here on TradingView, what you're going to want to do is just whenever you want to actually place a trade on TradingView, just go over to ThinkorSwim and then just place a trade over there instead. So of course it's a bit more of a hassle, it's not a seamless integration. However, as of right now, because the integration is not available yet, this is the best alternative you can use. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.